So today I am thrilled because we have somebody who's really special and really super cool. Bhumi, I say this for every guest. So no,
You
but
have
somebody
to say, because I think they look a special chair, and that's why they are with you right now, and you are with them.
correct. बराबर की तू एकदम.
You're not
But
being biased at all. Trust me.
but there's somebody really special today because she's really cool. She's really awesome, and quite honestly, she is the real original official. She is not Bhumi Trivedi 1999. She's not Bhumi Trivedi 1001. She's not Bhumi Trivedi 2012. She's Bhumi Trivedi official.
Official,
Ladies and
and I've
gentlemen,
got a
boys
blue
and
tick.
girls, we have the real, we have the very real, the very original superstar, rock star, Bhumi Trivedi, the singer performer from Vadodara, now in Bombay. Thank you for joining. Thank you for
Thank
joining us,
you.
Bhumi.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So I was doing a live with one of my friends, Manan, and somehow we got disconnected. And then my management person, like, he called me. He was like, "Hey, he's waiting for you." I was like, "Yes, yes, yes, I'm joining there."
He's waiting for you. Remember, Bhumi, if you finish that live and come. I'll do time pass. Don't worry.
No, I'm absolutely fine.
Are you sure? Listen, as
So
if
how have you been? I mean, I can see some amazing view over there. It's
thank you.
absolutely
Thank you.
amazing.
This
Blissful,
is
blissful, completely.
the reason why I sit out here is so that people, when they listen to my rubbish, at least they have the view back behind me. So when I talk rubbish,
No,
they
you
look
are just being humble. You are just being humble and nothing else. Trust me.
listen. If you're talking to your boyfriend Manan, right? So go and finish the talk. We'll wait for you.
My boyfriend, he's just
My,
my friend. So he's a stand-up comedian. He's an artist, and we were having a session, live session.
actually, the boyfriend Manan is the other one.
There's no boyfriend. I know you're pulling my leg, right? I like that way of asking.
Listen, I have to give some news to all these news agencies. They will say that Bhumi Trivedi no interview lido, but you didn't give us any news. You didn't give us any gossip. So then I have to give
You
you.
ask me about any other thing, I'll tell you here.
So she has been trained very well by her management. She's very well trained. According to you, in terms of the pandemic, what is the biggest सबसे बड़ा पॉजिटिव क्या है? कोरोना वायरस हुआ तो उससे सबसे बड़ा पॉजिटिव आपके लिए क्या है? आपको तो समय ही नहीं मिलता, मुझे पता है. For you, your
No,
life is the
no.
same.
I'm absolutely here. I'm absolutely home. And trust me, I'm getting to do so many things like that I can do sitting at home, maybe work from home or do my household work or spend time with my own self or maybe just do nothing. But I have slowed down. That's something personally I would talk about my own self, that I've got time for my own self just to sit and think about what new I want to do ahead in life. Or maybe because for like last 10 years I've been working, I've been traveling on my toes constantly, and now this is the time where I've literally got to just stop, slow down, think, meditate, maybe learn new thing, listen to new music, get in touch with old friends and family members and whosoever I can, get in
And
touch
also,
with. So
and also participate in cool things like Ek India. Like this one brilliant song that you did called Ek India.
Ek India, seriously, and thank you so much. I should be thanking you first of all for making me a part of this, and you know that.
Shut up. You're a
Trust
brilliant
me, trust
singer.
me.
We are very lucky to have people like you. But tell me, so what according to you is the biggest? So you see, you're spending time doing meditation, meeting friends, etc., ignoring my calls. So all of these things you do. No, no.
I think either you need to eat your chole और या तो छोले खाया था कुछ मिलाया था छोले में. Tell me that.
I know, yeah. We have to do. Everybody's so serious, yeah, Bhumi. Everyone is so serious. So then, if I start behaving like how you saw me in NSCI Dome में, that ये करना चाहिए, वो भी करना चाहिए, ये भी करना चाहिए, then I think everyone will just they'll anyway they're demoted, they'll go to sleep. But
know.
that's why I behave like a clown.
But you have always motivated and inspired all of them and even me. Trust me. Even if you're talking serious or even if you're just, just having fun. It's like,
कुछ भी बोल दो, but this guy is very inspirational. That is why we should call Bhumi Trivedi on every show. But Bhumi but Bhumi एक
मैं
चीज
जो
बताओ,
भी कहूंगी सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहूंगी.
गीता कहाँ है? गीता कहाँ है?
गीता मेरे मन में.
गीता नहीं चलेगा, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. देखनी है गीता कहाँ है. और
Do you
गीता
want to see? Do you want to see? Hold on.
गीता
But
बात
I have the translated Bhagavad Gita. You want to see that?
yeah. चलेगा. Sure. Do you have the translated Bhagavad Gita?
I have it. Hold.
Okay. Let's
I
see
have
whether
the translated Bhagavad Gita.
let us see whether singers also read the Bhagavad Gita. Let me see. I didn't read it on the Bhagavad Gita.
So I've been
I have
listening to Bhagavad Gita and reading also, and while I go to sleep, I listen to Bhagavad Gita. But I don't remember things from there. But yes, I have. So this is one I have, the Bhagavad Gita translated by Mahasi, and there is another Ashtavakra Gita also, but that's a different thing basically.
नहीं बस चल गया. You are a very dharmic person, but tell me, is your Bhagavad Gita and my Bhagavad Gita the same Bhagavad Gita? Mine is also Bhagavad Gita. This is the Bhagavad
Translated by, but it's a translation basically.
It's a translation.
A shloka by shloka interpretation of great work by a great sage of Islam.
I'm serious. You don't become so serious.
Good, we are being absolutely positive. We are being positive, and we are kind of spreading positivity, and we are asking people not to lose hope, because there are so many people, artists. You talk about artists or people who are away from their families and away from their cities, and staying here. I think, and there are a few people who are staying alone as well, and they're getting into depression, and there's so many cases coming out. So I think उन लोगों के लिए we are here to just tell them that, I am here alone. You must be with your family. But of course, I mean, living out of your schedule is something.
My family threw me out long back, Baba. Don't worry. Don't take stress. My family said, get out. For the first 2-3 days, they were very happy. They said, Are, we are seeing Rishabh Kikla. Varas pachi Rishabh ne jowa madiche. And then
Rishabh પણ એકલો છે, અહીંયા પણ એકલા છે, and there are so many people who are staying alone, and we are like, આપણે આ બધી ધાર્મિક વસ્તુઓ બી જોઈ રહ્યા છે, વાંચી રહ્યા છે. We are being, motivated. We are motivating people also at the same time.
Very true. Very, very true. That is very true. People are asking, is my hair white? The hair is not white. Ishan Kotian, the t-shirt is white and the light is white, which is why the hair looks white. Mean people. These are mean people.
I've had this thing during my live also, and there's so many people joining in. Tell me about your schedule, and what a positive thing have you searched from this lockdown thing? And tell me about the phase 4.
Phase 4. So phase 1 and phase 4 is the same, because the only difference between phase 1 and phase 4 is, in phase 1 I had properly trimmed hair. In phase 4 I have really long hair. This is the difference. But but the positive, I'll tell you, is the positive is that I think I've got so much time. I've got so much time to myself that sometimes I just look into the mirror and I look within, and I look at myself and I observe, saying, what a phenomenal guy. How do we have such a human being in this planet? No. I think he's got given me a lot of time.
I think it's really good to talk about your own self, pat your back constantly on and off. It's really, really important, because there are so many people who will come and pull you down. I don't know about you, but there are a few people, like there are friends who will come and, pat my back, and at the same time there are a few people who will pull me down. They'll try to pull me down with something or the other. But here it's like really important how you said right now.
I'm joking, Baba. I take time to introspect and see how.
Introspection is very important. Of course, introspection is like my. If somebody asks me कि तो उठ्या पहला तो तने अगर कोई एक शब्द बोलवानो होय तो શું બોલશે, and I will be like introspection. I'll be like the first one to say that. So, and in fact, I was talking about the same thing here. I mean, I overthink a lot at the same.
You're one of the coolest Gujaratis I know, You're like one of the coolest Coolest, most happening Gujaratis I know. I'm so happy I met you at NSCI. But you were saying, yeah, sorry, you're saying the first thing that you get up in the morning and say is introspection.
Yeah, if somebody would ask me that what's the first word that you get up and say in the morning, and I'll be like introspection. So that is really, really important. And even if I'm completely unconscious, I know I'll be like, constantly talking to my own self. So that's really important.
You'll
And
self. In your house, there's nobody, right?
yeah.
कारण कि हमारा घर में when I look into the mirror and I talk to myself, जब मैं मेरे खुद को बात करता हूँ, खुद से बात करता हूँ. When I look into the mirror and I talk to myself, that time people in my house used to say I'm crazy, but now in my room there's nobody to tell me that I'm crazy. But you know what I'm worried, Bhumi? The real problem that I'm facing is this problem. In phase 4, my hair length has grown till here. In phase 5, I'm worried it will become a ponytail. And in phase 6, I think my hair length and yours will be the same.
No, not that much. Let's talk practical. It's not going to be like that, but you'll surely look cute in that. You'll have like a small ponytail, and then yeah.
If Bhumi Trivedi finds it cute, I'm not going to cut my hair now, come what me.
I've already imagined you in pony because I'm like, it's okay, visionary.
Drivya Drashti. No, Drivya Drashti.
Divya Drashti.
Drivya Drashti.
Regarding your ponytail.
Oh my God. This is the vision that Bhumi Trivedi has. People remember. The Drivya Drashti.
I'll tell you one thing. So I'm like very fast at, if I have to observe something, or maybe if you'll ask my suggestion regarding something or your look or maybe hairstyle, this and that, whatever, I'll be like I'll be too fast to,
Judge.
talk about, my observation. Not judge. No, not judge at all. No, not at all. And Sajid sir is here with us. The director, the writer, Sajid sir is here with us. I think.
Hello, Sajid ji. Hello. If you're looking for an actor for the role of watchman, remember there is a very good-looking watchman जो audition देना चाहता है. That is not me. That is this guy who's working with me out here. And look at him. Look at him. He's the.
How sweet.
No,
is he watching our live there?
He's a very good friend who's helping me, but he lives with me. But Bhumi, tell me if you had to sum up the current situation, okay, through one song. If you had to sum up the current situation through one song, which would that song be?
You are selected. Oh my God.
You are selected. Who selected?
Sajid sir told that he is selected. Matlab, you are already there. The hero. Only till now.
Abhishek Dhawan, I have got you a role in a movie. Look at the new superstar, ladies and gentlemen. The new Watchman of Sajid Khan's next movie.
See, I told you he's watching. He's watching our live over there.
No, but it is super cool. But Bhumi, tell me, if you have to give hope to people in a time such as this, what would be the song you would sing to them?
Okay.
If you had to give hope, तो कई सॉन्ग गा से आप कौन से सॉन्ग गाओगे ओके
इट्स ओके राह पे कांटे बिखरे अगर उस पे तो फिर भी चलना ही है शाम छुपा ले सूरज मगर रात को एक दिन ढलना ही है रुत ये टल जाएगी हिम्मत रंग लाएगी सुबह फिर आएगी हो ये हौसला कैसे झुके ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या धुंधला साहिल तो क्या तन्हा ये दिल तो क्या ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके.
Oh, super, yeah.
Thank
That
you, thank you.
your voice is so melodious, yeah. I remember hearing you. See, I have all your songs on my playlist, all right. But when I heard you live, and
Yeah,
this is and we're seeing you live, we're hearing you live. You sound as good as you sound in a recorded musical. So,
that's a big compliment to me. Trust me.
it's
Thank you so much.
you're so humble, yeah. You've done so much in life, but you are yet so humble. So, Bhumi, tell me this one thing. You have the second part of what we do is called Tum Bhi Karo Na, okay? Okay, so tell me this. If young people had to take one quality from your life, what is that one quality that you think they should imbibe? One quality that you have that you think young people should also have.
Uh, See, I think there are so many people already writing it down, humble and be grounded. And I think it's really important to be grounded and humble and be honest with your work, with your own self. Because I think आप जब तक खुद के साथ honesty नहीं रखेंगे तो वो सामने बाहर नहीं दिखेगी. And I think that will not let you connect with people outside. So, and it's all natural, it's all universal, and you cannot fake it. I mean, you can't fool people every time, you know. And I've not even tried to fool anybody, but it's the fact. I think because till the time I am being honest, I can see that how people love me and love my work, and I try to, you know, unke expectations pe khare utarna. So I always do that. I sing for myself and for people as well.
So be honest. Honesty is the best policy. Be true to
Absolutely,
yourself.
yeah.
Be true to yourself. Abhishek, remember, Bhumi has said, be true to yourself. Don't only apply for the the role of a watchman. Do not apply for lead role. Please be true to yourself, Abhishek. Please.
I don't know what khichdi is getting cooked out over there.
I make a lot of fun of him. He's so sweet. Yeah, he's one
But
of the
trust me, I
sweetest.
never knew. I always saw you in, because only once we had met, and I saw you in a very serious avatar. Because of course, I mean, our chief minister was there at that time, and there were so many other, you know, guests
Dignitaries.
present over there. Yeah, of course. And there were students, and they were all looking up to you, and you were kind of a completely different person.
Yeah.
And right now, you are absolutely completely a different person. I really like that thing about you.
No, no. So Bhumi is basically trying to subtly saying ये कितना सेंसिबल बंदा था. मुझे लग रहा था कि वो स्टेज पे जो बात कर रहा था, मतलब विजन है इसमें, दिव्य दृष्टि है. एंड अभी तो पता चला है कि मतलब दिव्य भी नहीं है, दृष्टि भी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है.
No. Don't introspect too much.
but but Bhumi, आप घर बैठे बैठे, I know you are working really hard. I know you are really working hard, and you are on one live after the other, and all the lives you have like all this energy all the time. But apart from the lives, what is a normal day in your life look like?
It's like this. Each and every day is absolutely different. And I'll tell you, ek din kya hua tha, I got a song to do, and it's a fabulous song. It's going to be out very soon, in a week's time, I guess. You will get to listen to it. Promotions ab kal parson se shuru ho rahe hain. So once we are starting with the promotion, you'll be the first one to know that, of course. And
So we'll do another show once the promotion start.
why not? Why not? I would love to join again. So what had happened was I had to sing, because now that I'm not able to go out of my house, I have to do everything on my own. Write the song, sing it, record it, send it to them, to the company, and shoot it. So basically, I had to create a set in my house, make it look very beautiful with candles and decorations and this and that, and there were like a few lights laid up. So all these things were there, and then I had to do my hair and makeup, and then select the dress, whatever costume I had to wear. I had to do that, and then later on, I started shooting at 1, finished at 3:34, submitted those videos and audio files and everything, सारा कुछ किया, और उसके बाद फिर मैं आराम से जाके सोई. So
What are you
yeah, so it happens. It's okay. I mean, and it's kind of a learning process.
Lockdown में काम मत करो.
No, but I think it's that was a task given to me, and I really wanted to check and test my own self and check my own potential basically कि क्या मैं ये सारी चीजें करने के काबिल हूँ, and I could do it on time and give them all the files like video and audio files on time with everything proper. So I'm really excited and looking forward to that song as well.
Superb. When is the song coming out?
In a week's time.
Guys, all of you should go and follow Bhumi Trivedi right now, because if you don't follow her, guys, if you don't follow her, I won't do anything. I won't do anything.
Okay. I don't want to miss any of your lives from now.
Listen, your friend Manan, who's a friend or a boyfriend, that I don't know, but your friend Manan does better stand-up.
He's got a kid also, yaar. Manan Desai. I think you should go and follow him and his page. He's a wonderful comedian, stand-up comedian, and an artist. So yeah. See,
I have to take inspiration. I really need inspiration for stand-up comedy. That is what Bhumi is saying indirectly. She's saying basically.
Please talk about Sajid sir. Sajid sir is saying, please follow me. Oh my God.
Please go follow Sajid. Please go and follow Sajid Ji. Also goes without saying, Sajid Ji, if he agrees to cast you in the next movie, please remember you got casted on this, Bhumi, on this platform called I Am an Officials. कुछ तो करो ना, याद रखना आपको. याद रखना है. But Bhumi, घर बैठे बैठे क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? What can we do apart from listening to your wonderful songs? What is it that young people can sitting at home do?
See, I like to paint. I like colors. I like to play with colors, and then there are so many other things to read, which I generally, इतना ज़्यादा patience नहीं है मुझे read करने में, but I'm doing that right now. So you can, of course, meditate. You can listen to music. You can sing, dance, or do painting, or get into any kind of craft. If you are too much interested into cooking, you can try your culinary skills also at the same time.
Cooking. आप संजीव कपूर बन सकते हो. आप भूमि त्रिवेदी भी बन सकते हो.
आप गाना भी गा सकते हो, and you can just be a great orator like Rishabh.
At this juncture, I will pause for applause, but applause.
I'm here clapping on behalf of everybody watching us.
You're the most amazing person
I've taken this theme of painting earthen glasses, earthen pots. I generally do that, so I'm like too much interested in doing that. Of course, I'm reading books. I have this right now.
What book are you reading?
Music as yoga. That's the book I'm reading. I'm composing. I've started learning Logic. That's a software, basically recording software. If you want to sing, if you want to record, do whatever. So I've started learning that also at the same time, and I generally sing, dance, stay with my own self. So yes, I was talking about how to kill time during this lockdown period. So you can create a small schedule kind of a thing, and because मेरा कोई schedule नहीं होता है, I'm not following any schedule. I'm not a timetable-ish person at all. So मैं जब भी मेरा काम कोई खत्म हो जाता है, whatever project I get done with, I always listen to new music, and I'm concentrating on folk music right now. जो अलग-अलग प्रांत के folk music हैं, अलग-अलग states के, so I'm just exploring them. And every week I give tasks to my own self. And Vishwa, my friend, is also here. He's just pulling my leg by just saying, "Ma'am."
Okay, so we have to call you ma'am. Okay, fine, done. So no. Bhumi ma'am, say Bhumi ma'am.
I'm going away.
Okay, Bhumi auntie, just one question I have for you.
I'll call you Dadaji then if you call me auntie.
Listen, you have 100,000 times more fans than me, so there is nothing to worry for me, nothing to lose. But if
No,
the name Bhumi
देखो कभी
sticks,
ना कभी, see I've got so many different names and relations right now, so maybe कभी ना कभी तो I've also become auntie because nowadays तो मासी चाची ये सब कुछ होता ही नहीं है, people call us auntie and
very
uncle and all.
young.
So
You look very
थोड़ा सा
young. You
सबको
are very
सिखाना
young.
पड़ेगा कि you have to call, if I'm your मासी you can't just call me Bhumi and you have to call me मासी. So आप
Okay,
भी
Bhumi. Okay, Bhumi Masi. Okay, Bhumi Masi. Okay, but Bhumi, tell me the last part. You were a part of this wonderful project, okay, called Ek India. Okay, it had Shan, it had Shreya Ghosal ji, it was composed by this wonderful person called Leslie Lewis, and it
yeah.
was conceptualized by this great man who's talking to you right now. But it was conceptualized by 17 and 18-year-olds who basically actually run this organization, the Dhruvi Warriors and the Manoj Kumars and the Gurshits of IIMUN. But Bhumi, what was your experience like, and can you sing 2 lines from that song if you remember it? If you don't remember it, it's okay. Then we
Yeah,
really
I just want you to I just want you to hum a couple of lines and then I'll join.
खत्म ये खत्म हो गया. This was a good one.
दिल से दिल लगाओ, आंखों में है नई दिशा, हम सब हैं एक इंडिया, मुश्किलें रहेंगी पर हम नहीं, हम सब हैं एक इंडिया, हम सब हैं एक इंडिया. हेलो एवरीबॉडी, कहाँ हो तुम, आंखों में अंधेरा, हर जगह गुमसुम, तुम डरो ना कोरोना से. And then I'm साथ मिलकर हम आगे बढ़े, दिल से दिल लगाओ, आंखों में है नई दिशा, हम सब हैं एक इंडिया. Glad I remember.
Listen, Bhumi, if you didn't remember, no, then bas friendship khatam. Kalthi, I would no longer call you.
I'll tell you one more thing. What happens is like whenever I go to a studio to record any new song, my mom would be like, if she calls me and if I'll cut her call, she'll be like, on it constantly. कि इसने मेरी बेटी ने call cut क्यों किया? And then after I, talked to her, I was like, Mom, I was inside the studio recording something, and my mom was like, अच्छा गा के सुनाओ. And that's the time where exactly after getting out of the studio, my mind goes completely blank. I completely go blank. I don't remember anything. And next day morning, the moment I get up, I remember every lyrics and every word of the song and the tune itself. और फिर मैं उठकर मम्मी को call करती हूँ, and I'll just tell her that this was the song that I was talking about yesterday. So,
Are you forget?
I'm really glad मैं बच गई that I remember the song right now. But trust me, the experience, I have to talk about the experience that it's wonderfully written. Leslie sir को मैं पहले भी मिली हूँ, and my friend Radhika, she's saying badam khao. Yes, absolutely, because she knows all my kissas of forgetting things. So
Bhumi,
yes,
आप बादाम नहीं खाते भूमि आंटी, बहुत गलत हो गया ये तो.
So, see, even without eating badam, I remember the song. So that's the main point right now.
But Bhumi, at least you forget the song. I used to forget. I used to study for the examination. मैं पूरा पढ़ाई करता, पूरी रात भर पढ़ाई करता. Next दिन मैं जाता examination hall में, मैं question paper लेता. Till then I was very confident. Question paper हाथ में आते ही, I would forget whatever I had learned the last day. And in your case, at least it's okay because one day later you can yet recite the song. In my case, I used to get fail.
No, I don't think so. I just.
It's just a made up story to make me sound very humble.
I am telling you, yeah, that's what.
I got 110 on 100 in all my papers. But let me take you to the last part, Bhumi, before you run away, and before my chole bhature get very cold. Let me take you to the last part of what we do. It is I will give you a word, okay? और जो भी पहली चीज है जो आपको ध्यान में आती है, when I tell you the word, you need to tell me that. So say for example, if I give you the word Rishabh, so what is the first thing that comes to your mind that you need to say?
Come on, your chole bhature is getting cold.
Stretch. I thought my sense of humor was bad, ladies and gentlemen, but we have found one more person who can do stand-up comedy with.
Don't entertain my friends here. There are a couple of my friends who are just kind of pulling my leg, and they are like here. And एक बार ये जैसे life खत्म होगा, see, look at this. Vishwa and Radhika.
Okay, tell me what is the first thing that comes to your mind when I say coronavirus? तभी क्या होता है? What is the first thing?
Yeah, stay home, stay safe.
Stay home, stay safe. Music.
Life.
Boyfriend.
Overrated.
गलत जवाब. Happiness.
Family.
Friends.
Happiness.
Inspiration.
Rishabh Shah.
मतलब ये जवाब, this answer will win you the Coffee with Karan का hamper.
But where's your hamper? When are you going to get me that hamper from you?
यहाँ sponsorship नहीं मिलता, so I can send you lots of love, lots of flying kisses and lots of virtual hugs.
Thank you so much.
but इसके अलावा बता,
याद रहेगा ये दिन, हमेशा मेरी जिंदगी में याद रहेगा. मतलब ऐसा हैम्पर जो कभी आया भी नहीं और गया भी नहीं.
Guys, Bhumi Trivedi's most favorite and famous day, which he will always remember. Please note this. Achha, tell me, when I tell you Gujaratis, what do you think of? When I say Gujaratis, what do you think of?
There's so many things there. I'm completely like, my head is going like this right now.
Anyone thing, yeah? Anyone thing.
Gujaratis pure-hearted.
સરસ, બહુ સરસ, એકદમ સરસ જવાબ આપ્યો છે. ગુજરાતમાં બધા લોકો ખુશ થઈ જશે, બાકી ઇન્ડિયામાં બધા લોકો થપ્પડ મારશે. ઓકે.
Good about Gujaratis right now. You ask me about Indians, और भी अच्छा निकलेगा. सारे लोग.
Okay, Indians,
my heart, yeah. क्योंकि उन लोगों ने मुझे Indian Idol में, I was in Indian Idol season 5 and they've supported me so much. So this goes for India.
You were in the top contestants.
Yes.
I watched it. I watched the show. I was in my 5th standard that time.
India and Bollywood, Indians and Bollywood, I think, and I've been a very chotu sa but integral part of Bollywood. So yes, Indians, I would relate it with Bollywood for sure.
You are not a chotu sa part of Bollywood. You are a very big part of Bollywood. And I saw Indian Idol 5 when I was in my 5th standard, Bhumi. So,
so cute.
Bhumi auntie, sorry.
Call me Dadi. It's okay. Now call me auntie. I think Dadi suits.
No. I'm joking. I'm joking. I saw Indian Idol when I was much older, but tell me, if I give you one, which is your favorite song? What's your favorite song?
Amongst like what? Which kind of?
All time favorite song.
All time favorite is like there are so many. Yeah.
Bhumi, okay. All time favorite song doesn't take so long.
एक कुड़ी जिदा ना मोहब्बत है हो साद मुरादी सुनी फबत है. So there's this list of my the songs that I generally perform. और जैसे आपने पूछा तो मेरी नजर सीधा इस पर गई.
How nice, yeah. How nice.
So there are many favorite songs there actually. So I just sang this one.
Beautiful. And the last question, Bhumi Trivedi, official. The last question officially from I'm an official to Bhumi Trivedi official is, when I say this, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? And please hear this question carefully. Kaan khula rakhine, please understand that this is a very important question. When I say IIMUN, so what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
India integration.
India integration. Ladies and gentlemen, it's India getting integrated. This is phenomenal. We are integrating India. We are uniting nations. And the person who's behind this, the reason why we are doing this is today talking to you. And we also have Bhumi Trivedi.
Thank you so much. Yeah, but seriously, it was fun talking to you, and thank you so much. And there are so many people who are joining in, and thank you so much, guys, for being here and constantly sending us so many hearts and love and so many comments, wonderful comments. It really means a lot, and thank you so much, Rishabh, IIMUN. Thank you so much, and whatever you are doing, it's absolutely great. And whenever you make me a part of IIMUN family, it really means a lot to me. And
Bhumi, I must tell you, you are, whenever I make you a part of IIMUN family, एक खोटूच है. That is the wrong statement. आपको ये बोलना चाहिए that once a part of IIMUN family, always a part of IIMUN family, Bhumi, and you are now a family member to all of us in IIMUN. So we will keep troubling you, and we will keep calling you and telling you to sing with that soulful, melodious, mellifluous voice that you have. You are honestly somebody who I tremendously revere, because you are humble. After achieving everything that you have, you are yet very grounded. You're one best playback singer, female, debutante, this, that, etc., in so many places. And honestly, you could be you're one of the most celebrated young singers in the industry, and yet you are like this. And I think that's the reason why all these young people say Bhumi Trivedi ko lana chahiye. दूसरे सब है बहुत अच्छे हैं, but Bhumi Trivedi को तो लाना ही चाहिए. So Bhumi Trivedi, thank you for being a part of this.
Thank you so much.
We'll keep troubling you. याद रखो.
Always. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. Seriously.
Once in IIMUN, always in IIMUN. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Bhumi Trivedi. Thank you, Bhumi.
Getting me here. Thank you so much, Rishabh. Thanks a lot, yeah.
Thank you. Now I'm going to eat my chole bhature. I'll send you some.
Please. Enjoy. Take care. Bye. Thank you.